Oftentimes I like to use all kinds of scrap material for my projects. And since I live right next to the sea, it's very typical that the wind takes down some tree branches. The biggest problem with fallen branches is that a lot of the time they are rotten, but it didn't take me that long to find a good branch. At home I peeled the rest of the bark off and let the wood dry for a few days. Before drilling any holes to the actual towel hooks, I wanted to make sure that the holes would be the right size. I did make the mistake of using softer wood for the testing, which meant that the testing was inaccurate and I had to make the holes bigger.